Hi guys, we're back with Samantha Van Gorder. Right now I'm drinking, oh my camera fell. I'm drinking a cappuccino made from home. And we put chocolate in it. And when my dad, we melted it, and then when my dad, he put it in the microwave. And when my dad opened the microwave door to take it out, big smoke came up. Nice shot. So, my sister and my dad are here with me. Say hi. She's eating. She's eating chocolate. And my dad, he's cleaning dishes. So, I'm just gonna drink this.
Is that coffee from yesterday?
No. Drink it all.
When?
Today in school. So anyways, I'm going to show you all the slimes that I have.
This is still watering.
That's too bad. I lost half my slime. Maybe it will come off. What are you doing?
I'm drinking.
Okay, so
Is she bringing that stuff tonight?
First slime that we got is a pink. Oh, is a pink regular fluffy slime. I actually have a video for this. The video is called Regular Slime. And it was white in the video, but after I decided to dye it after I ended the video.
And around 10.
What? So, I have this one. Next one I am going to be showing you is this one. It's a green little, I can barely see. You can see. Hold on, I'll be right back. So, this is the one that I was talking about. I'm just, whoa. Sorry if I blinded you, but.
No.
Put this there. This is the green one.
I think she's talking. You're talking about the white milk chocolate with the peppermint?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the white chocolate with peppermint swirl, candy cane.
That's the green one. The next one is this other green one. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry for the bad lighting.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
But this is a fluffy slime. I also have a video on this.
Bad grades on tests because she doesn't study.
She's being annoying.
I'm sorry.
Shh, be quiet. Yo, my sister's so annoying.
So annoying.
Stop.
Hey, Dad, could you replace the light bulb?
No, do it yourself. So this one, it's a fluffy slime. I have a video on this, but it feels so cool. And yeah, so that's that one. And I'll be back with more.
Samantha, they don't have the peppermint, like I said.
So I'm back, and I'm going to start with the smaller ones. I'm also selling these at my school. This is $1, the green one that I showed you. that one. And then this is $10. And this fluffy one is $10 too. And I'm selling them at my school if you go to my school. What?
Anything else?
Glue.
I already told you there's none there.
Mm.
Nothing I can do about it.
Wait. I wrote some glues down that work in the video. So, wait, put her on speaker. This one is $1. It's another green one, but it's a darker green. It's like a greenish blue. This one is a harder one. This is made out of
Those round eggs.
bark.
What are you talking about? What is
Sparkly one.
$1,000 or something?
I also have this light green one. This is $1. It's in the same container.
I'll have something.
So I have those two.
A chance you might know exchange with that. You might be able to get something.
Daddy,
What?
what store is she at?
No, because they got those here. You don't like the peppermint patties, all right?
What are those?
The things that your mother was eating. I assume your mother was eating them.
No, ew, the Yorkies.
Yeah, the Yorkies. Yeah. See, you don't like Andy's candies either, right?
No, I asked.
Okay.
Wait, what store is she at?
Yeah, price shopping.
Okay, tell her to look for gel glue.
There is no gel glue, Samantha. We were just there last night.
I wasn't looking for gel glue.
There was no glue at all.
Yes, there was.
No, the only glue that was there was the ones that you found.
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no.
yeah. There was
No.
no other glue on the counter, on the shelf.
Yes, there was. There was glue on the other side.
looked.
No, I did.
I looked.
I did, and I saw
But
it.
what I saw was no glue at all. And you pulled it from underneath the shelf.
No,
Yeah.
no. This I have is another fluffy slime. It's like a multicolored one. This is also $10. It has blues
Don't
and
buy a little thing of ketchup glue. Buy a big one. Don't buy a big one.
it has blues and red and yellows and
Because their mother should be buying this
Greens.
stuff.
I want glue.
There's nothing I can do. There's no glue.
Think it.
I'm talking about something you can eat, Samantha. Do you need anything? Something that's going to make you healthy and grow good. Not sticky and dirty at the house.
Then get board mat, Elmer's board mat,
Yeah.
Duval tip glue.
One of them is made by Boulders.
He won't give me glue. He's being a
I don't
butt.
like the Boulders one.
So yeah, this is my fluffy one. I have another one like this, but it's a different multicolor. So as I was saying, this is also 10, but it's in a bag.
Okay.
Daddy, can we go to Price Chopper? I have this one. It's a multicolored one. It has a green and like a purplish, dark purple color, which is over here. So I hate this lighting. Here. See, there's a green and a darker purplish color. This is glitter glue slime. It stretches a lot, but then sometimes
I'm not sure
it
what
breaks.
store it is, but on one side of the aisle it has Folgers, and then the other side it has that kind of backside.
So there's that slime. This is $5.
So
And the next
just
slime
addable powder to milk or water or coffee.
is this slime. It's a blue slime. It's almost like a oh, yeah, I'll stretch it for you. I just need to get a good stretch.
Okay. No, that's good. That's good.
Slime.
No, that's fine.
It's bluish color. Well, anyways, this is $1. This one,
Alright.
where is it? This one is the multicolored one that I was talking about. It's the same as this one. And last night they were coming alive because they were getting bigger and bigger. That one's... What?
You want that?
Sure. This one, I'm only taking a little out because this is big. This one is stretchy.
Who are you talking to?
I'm making a YouTube video. So this one is 10. I have a lot of 10s and 1s. So yeah, that is all of my slimes. I'm going to make another video on a butter slime with no glue, no maybe borax and hot water, but maybe. I'm not sure if the slime if it's gonna work. I haven't tried it before, so I'm gonna make a video on it. So bye.